Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I'm always on the hunt for a good pair of tights, and I have found a pair I want to share with you. These are by MATHACINO, and these are the skin color, but they have tons of colors to choose from. These are considered semi-opaque, so you are going to be able to see through them just a tiny bit. But I love them, especially the skin color, because sometimes I want the look of pantyhose, but I wanted the thickness and comfort and more coverage that I get with tights. The elasticity in these is really good. They don't have that where they don't stretch all the way back to your body and you start getting little ripples when your knees and ankles bend. I don't have a problem with that in these at all. These are high-waisted, which is always good for me because I can always use a little extra squeeze in up there when I'm wearing a nice dress. They are so soft and so comfortable. I highly recommend them, and they are at a super great price point for tights. If you're looking for your next pair, I highly recommend these by MATHACINO, but that's just my point of view.